Welcome to my ThatMuffinART channel. To draw a dog incorporating the number tetra 2, you could follow these simple steps. Sketch the head and face. Start by drawing the dog's head using one of the tools as the shape of the face or ear. Use curves for the muzzle and ears to give it a realistic look. Use two of the tools as ears by turning them sideways. Use another tool for the body, elongating the shape slightly to form the torso. The final tool can be the part of the tail, curling at the end. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tutorial. Draw the rest of the dog's body below the head, connected to the tool shape used for the torso. Add legs with simple lines or curves to form a seated or standing dog. Add eyes, a nose and mouth for the face. You can add fur texture or shading if you want more detail. It looks amazing and more like a fun. Number 5 step, there is outline and finish. Trace over the final lines with a pen or marker. Erase any unnecessary guidelines. And the last step is that you can color the dog if desired or you want. This technique makes the drawing playful by creatively incorporating the number tetra 2 into the dog's form. So thanks for watching this video.